Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to cancel an Amazon order before it ships. First, open any web browser and go to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Amazon account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner and click Returns and Orders. This page shows all your recent orders. Find the order you want to cancel. Look for the item image or the order date. Click View Order Details if needed to expand it. Under the order, look for a button that says Cancel Items. If you see it, that means the order has not shipped yet and can still be canceled. If the button is missing, the order is already being prepared or shipped. After clicking Cancel Items, Amazon will show a list of everything in that order. Check the box next to the item you want to cancel. Scroll down, choose a cancellation reason from the drop-down, and click Submit Cancellation. You'll see a confirmation message on screen, and Amazon will also send you an email. To double-check, go back to Returns and Orders and refresh the page. Your order should now say Canceled. If it still says Preparing for Shipment, Amazon might be processing it. Give it a few minutes. If the order can't be canceled because it already shipped, you still have options. You can wait for the package to arrive and choose Return or Replace Items. Or you can refuse delivery at the door. Amazon will issue a refund as soon as the item returns to their facility. And that's it. That's how you cancel an Amazon order before it ships.